Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Patreon to Discord. In order to do this, simply navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and search for Patreon login. Now, click on patreon.com's login or sign up page and log into Patreon using your user credential. After you do this, you'll be on this page. Here, simply click the settings icon. And if you don't see this page, simply click your profile icon and you will see these options at the left. Now, click settings, that is this gear icon. Now, you will see this page where you will see all the basic credentials of your Patreon. Simply click this more icon at the top right. Now, click connected apps. It is going to take you to another page, that is the connected apps page. Here, you're going to see Discord as the first option. Click on this and it will instantly open up this page where you can click on connect to connect with Discord. So make sure you are logged into Patreon with the same credentials as the Discord. That is, you must use same email in both Discord and Patreon. After you click connect, this page will open up in a new browser. Simply click continue to Discord. And here you can easily log in with email or phone number and the password. Then click login and it will show up this page where you can click authorize. When you click authorize, it will instantly connect your Patreon to Discord. As you can see, it's connected to my Discord ID. So that's how you do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.